Something's not right. Interesting. So it's telling me to, in order to fit it, drop the car. So the control arms go up so everything can fit in. That's interesting. How the hell am I supposed to do that at a lowered car? Please tell me. So this is gonna be fun. We're gonna get those, we're gonna get those ramps. Set the wheels on the ramps and go under. Why do we do this shit late at night when we gotta get up at 5 in the morning? But we still don't even know if we can take this to the track. I still gotta check if that code is still there. Because if we're over advanced, I'm not putting this on the track. There's no way. Because then we could risk the chain snapping, the cams doing some weird stuff, the boost doing weird stuff. So we don't even know. About to find out though. The downside of getting used stuff on these right here, there's supposed to be zerk fittings like this, so you can put your grease gun in there and like grease all this stuff up. But this guy's car was too low, so they snapped off. So you gotta manually grease it every time. We need end links! All the grease is gone. We're gonna get some squeaking, but that's okay. Get some 034 shout out, 034. Car doesn't have a bash bar, so we can't use the tow hook. So we can't even take it on the track. We've worked for 6 months trying to get this car ready, and we overlooked the bash bar for a tow hook. I think either way we're gonna take it though tomorrow. Handles. I was popping so hard. Like this car doesn't pop. Like there's not a pop and bang setting or tune or anything like that. But when I was shifting, I don't know if you heard, but it was crazy.